Finally, we comes into the routing. So what is a routing? To route, a router need to know how basically the routing is performed by the router. So these are the key points you need to remember. So let's say if I say here in this diagram, router C need to perform routing. I am just taking a simple example. Whether it is D, B, A, whatever, the same things apply to all, but I'm considering at the moment for understanding purpose router C. So if router C wants to perform routing, so what does it needs to know? This router needs to know the remote network information, the neighbor routers. This is the second point. This is the first one. The third thing is all possible routes to remote network. Means how many ways I have to reach to remote, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. How many ways I have?
What do you mean remote network? Is it
Means
to
the other networks you want to access. Maybe it is on the internet, maybe your branch network, etc.
mm,
Okay.
mhm.
Then the fourth one is the absolute best route to all remote networks. And the fifth one, maintain and verify the routing information. It means maintain the routing table. So these are the 5 basic things, or you can say 5 things that a router require to route traffic successfully, or you can say to perform routing successfully. Method for configuring routing, we have 3 methods basically. Uh, this is the first, static. This is the second, default. And this is the third, dynamic. This is the most used method for configuring routing, and the dynamic routing is performed with the help of
Yeah.
routing protocols. So
So
for
static, about static.
static is manual, like
Mm,
manually you configure. Both are manual.
so it won't use static
No,
because
no, static is used for small networks or simple network. If you have
okay, like
less network, but if you
mm,
have more networks or want to have a better management of the configuration and network,
what will you consider a large network, like from 1 to 20 or 50?
maybe it may be 10, it may be 20, it may be 30, it may be in hundreds, etc.
Mm,
Depend. Okay.